Hi, I'm Melissa Evans, and I'm the safety circuit writer for the Connecticut Training and Technical Assistance Center at UConn. The Safety Circuit Writer program offers free roadway safety assistance to municipalities, including the loan of several pieces of equipment. Today, I will be introducing you to our newest piece of equipment, our Pavement Marking Retroflectometer. The Federal Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices, or MUTCD, has established minimum retroreflectivity requirements for certain signs and pavement markings. The pavement markings requirement was recently implemented, and compliance is required by September 2026. The tool that you are about to see can assist you in creating a pavement marking asset inventory and determining if you meet the minimum requirements. The unit that we purchased is a Road Vista StripeMaster 2 Touch Pavement Marking Retroreflectometer. It is a handheld unit which is very easy to use, as you will soon see. Some parts of the unit you should be familiar with are the handle, wheels, and stabilizer bar. A special thank you to Tom and Dan from the Southbury Public Works Department for assisting me by demonstrating the unit. Here you can see them removing it from the case, attaching the wheels, which is a simple magnetic attachment, pushing down on the handle and turning it to lock it into place, and finally releasing the stabilizer bar by placing it down on the ground and locking that into place. Now the unit is ready to go. Turn it on and select Calibrate from the main menu. This is the first step before you can start taking your measurements. Tilt the unit back and pull the trigger to perform the initial dark calibration step. Then you will need to place the calibration block into the front of the stabilizer bar, tilt the unit back and select Measure, and then pull the trigger. You should get a pass reading, which lets you know the unit is calibrated correctly. This is what the main menu screen looks like. From here, you can choose Measure, Setup, Calibrate. If you select Measure, that's where you set up your requirements before taking your readings. Here you can identify roadway materials, pavement marking materials in color, and also set your minimum pass-fail retroreflectivity requirements. To take your measurements, simply place the unit on the line, walk behind it, stop periodically, and pull the trigger. This will record your measurement as a simple pass-fail, while also showing you the number versus the minimum you already set. It is important to remember that you should walk in the same direction that the marking was put down in order to get an accurate reading. Here you can see what the screen looks like after measuring a line. Your numbers will be different, of course, but they show up both numerically and as pass-fail. Once your data collection is completed in the field, that information can be easily converted into an Excel file or shapefile to help manage your pavement marking asset inventory. So that's a little introduction into our new pavement marking retroreflectometer. If you would like additional information on the unit or would like